and gentlemen, the show is about to begin. Hold on tight. Hold on tight.
Okay, riders, everybody get ready. Here we go. Showtime. Let's get it moving.
How much is it? £3.50. Yeah, £3.50 each.
Hey, come on, if you want to go faster, somebody scream.
Paybox view. Paybox view.
How many? £9 with these. How much? £9. Should be £10.50. With the tickets, it's £9. Okay, just wait here, okay? Thank you.
Okay, riders, everybody, if you want some more, let me see those hands in the air. Let's go.
Put your hands in the air if you want to go faster. Put your hands in the air if you want to go faster.
Okay, riders, everybody, let's see some. If you want some more, say yeah. Come on, then, everybody, wave your hands in the air if you want some more.
Put your hands in the air if you want to go faster. Put your hands in the air if you want to go faster. Thank you for riding with us today. Thank you for riding.